Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making Rotel cream corn. So what you're going to need for this is 3 cans of corn, an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, softened. So you gotta let it soften up, leave it out for a little bit. Half a cup, or well, a quarter of a cup, or a half of a stick of butter, and 1 can, 10-ounce can of Rotel. Okay, so let's get this going and give it a try and see how it all turns out. Okay guys, first thing we're going to do, put our softened cream cheese in here. Just get it kind of mushed in there. It might not be soft enough yet, but yeah, get it in there. Alright, cut up the butter here real quick. And put that in here. That's about it right there. And we're just gonna drop in our butter. This should be really good. Okay, we'll put the rest of the butter aside and we'll put in our corn. I did drain the corn, which I don't know if that was a good thing or not, but figure it'll work its way out. But I did not drain the Rotel, so I think that should be enough moisture in there. So we're gonna just give this a good stir, get it all stirred in here. Now it's pretty moist, so it'll all work out. Let's get it all mixed in pretty good. Okay. All right. That looks like it's good mixed enough for this. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we'll spray our baking pan down, and then we'll get our corn mixture and dump it in here. Alright, so okay guys, I got the oven preheated to 350, and so we'll have it in the oven for around we'll say around 30 minutes, and we want it to where it's, keep an eye on it to where it's bubbling. I'm figuring probably about 30 minutes with this stuff. So alright, so well, let me put this in the oven and I'll see you guys in roughly about 30 minutes. We're gonna give it a try and see how it all goes. So I'll see you guys in 30 minutes over this. Okay guys, it took about 35-40 minutes to get it to where it's bubbling and really nice. So it's done. I'm gonna open it up here. It looks really good. So I'm gonna put it in there. Let it cool a little bit, but I might need to let it cool just a little bit more. I don't know. But let me give it a try here. So here we go. This looks so good. There's a nice smell to it as well. If you guys look at that, see how good that looks. Alright. Well, here we go. I tell you guys, this is so good. With the butter and the cream cheese, it's got a nice creamy texture, and then it's got that little bit of a bite with the Rotel. It's really good. So this is the creamy Rotel corn, or Rotel creamy corn, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call it creamy Rotel corn. So, and it is good, guys. So, alright guys, well, take time to comment below, guys, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and also, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I try to get a cooking video out on Saturday morning, and also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing and adventure videos as well. And well guys, I want you to enjoy the day the Lord's given you, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm going to finish this up here and wonderful flavor.